In today's video, I'm going to show you some more fun stuff that I got from PoundToy.com. First thing I have here are these erasers. There are several to collect, and I got these to use as miniatures as they are the perfect size for dolls. I also got a few Furby blind bags. Each one comes with a cute Furby figurine, and I got these because these are great to use in the dollhouse as fun characters. The next toy I have is called Flush Force. There are two hidden characters inside. To get them out, you just need to add some water and give it a shake. I also got a few slimes. The first one I have is a magnetic slime. And what's really cool about this one is that if you pull a strand from it, you can make it move with a magnet. The next one I have is this heat-sensitive green slime, and this one changes colour when it's played with. The last slime I have is in a toilet-shaped container, and it makes noises when you press it. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 2 of my PoundToy haul. Make sure to check out PoundToy.com as they have some really cool and affordable toys. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!